Hello guys, good day to all and good evening. This is Mike Padua and we're back to a latest update, and we are now turning our coverage to the upcoming tropical storm Nando. That's the local name, with international name Ragasa, and it's both Filipino names. Okay, the Nando is the local name, Ragasa is the international name, contributed at the Typhoon Committee of UN. And this is the latest update. We're going to observe this system as it may become a powerful typhoon moving into extreme northern Luzon in the next 4 to 5 days, and it's likely to affect Batanes group of islands as well as Babuyan, Calayan, and northern Cagayan, including Ilocos Norte, because of slightly large circulation. It's almost a large circulation. It's around 900 kilometers in diameter, when it is expected to move into the part of extreme northern Luzon. So this is for today, Friday evening, September 19, 2025. This is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon 2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainability. If you're interested, just click on the link here. And if you're watching via Facebook, just go to the description located below our video. Okay? And the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Lenny Robredo and our Honorable Vice Mayor Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. We were going to discuss the potential track of Nando, which is expected to rapidly intensify within the next couple of days, and it's likely to threaten extreme northern Luzon. For the past 3 days, the track hasn't changed. It's always going towards extreme northern Luzon, particularly from northern Cagayan to the north of Batanes. So this is the area that we are going to focus our attention to within the next couple of days. And if we take a look at the latest satellite animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, we are now currently looking at 3 tropical cyclones. Let's discuss first Mirasol. Mirasol has intensified in a tropical storm with international name Mitag, and it gained intensity up to around 75 to 85 kph before making landfall east of Hong Kong. It's now rapidly weakening as it moves over the mountainous areas of Guangdong province. So the system made landfall here in Guangdong province around 11 to 2 p.m. Okay, and the southwest monsoon has begun to stall here, and it's likely to shift its movement towards the Philippines because of the enhancement of the next cyclone, which is named Nando with the international name Ragasa, okay, or Ragasa. And it's quite a large system, and the forecast is expected to move towards Batanes this coming September 22 evening or early morning of September 23, and that will be on Tuesday. Meanwhile, up here along the open waters of the Western Pacific, we have another cyclone. This is tropical storm or severe tropical storm 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗋, and it's currently lingering here to the east of Iwoto. This is the island of Iwoto, formerly Iwo Jima. Okay, and the system is expected to move towards this direction, but the European model is forecasting it to track as it recurves. It will not push through, and then it will move at this direction towards the Okinawa Islands. So we're still we will confirm this system in the coming days if it will happen, but that forecast is coming from the European model, while the American model is that blue thing. So let's wait and see what will happen to severe tropical storm 𝗗𝗂𝗋. Now let's focus our attention on soon to be Typhoon Nando. We're going to show to you the latest GraphSat. So there you go. That's those are the positions of these 3 systems, and we expect the southwest monsoon to visit the western sections of the country once Mitag dissipates and Ragasa or Nando takes the place of enhancing the southwest monsoon. So we expect monsoonal conditions across the western sections of the country beginning Sunday, Monday. It will be more frequent over the western sections by Tuesday, September 23. Now here's the latest satellite loop from easterlywave.com. This is the 2-hour satellite loop. As you can see, you can observe some purple color in this IR image, a sign that it's being more than 100 millimeters of rainfall over the Philippine Sea. So this is a very intense system with heavy rainfall within the circulation. And if we take a look at the latest from cyclonic wx.com, and here's the latest loop for the past 6 hours, and as you can see, it remains a slow moving system and it's likely to move towards the north-northwest within the next 24 to 48 hours. So that's the system right now. It's still far away from the Philippines, but we expect that this system will start to affect extreme northern Luzon beginning Monday or early Monday. So we will wait and see. Let's hope that there will be some major changes on the forecast track, and let's hope that it will move away from our country. Now here's the latest from windy.com zoom in satellite animation from UMETSAT. The system remains almost stationary here, moving at speed of 7 or 9 kph on a west-northwest direction. And we could see some localized thunderstorms still affecting our country. And if we take a look at the latest, this is the latest wind shear product from CMSS, and on the circulation of Nando, we are looking at a 10 to 15 or 20 knot northerly winds. That's the reason why much of the convection is located south of the center of this system. And if we take a look at the first track that we issued around 2 o'clock this afternoon, this is based on the 11 a.m. position. The system is moving very slowly, but for the next 3 days, it will start to move north, then west, and it's likely to pass in the vicinity of the Batanes group of islands sometime Monday evening, September 22nd. If it accelerates, it will be earlier, daytime of the 22nd, but if it slows down, it will be during the morning of the 23rd. So that's the possible potential track of this system. So if we take a look at the cone of uncertainty, as you can see here, the area of northern Cagayan, Kalinga, Apayao, and Ilocos provinces are not yet out of the woods, because any sudden change to the south of the system will make this area in grave danger. The northernmost part of Cagayan Valley, and also central and southern Taiwan will also they must also observe the northern track of this system, since they are on the northern periphery of the area of cone of uncertainty. Okay, now here's the multi-agency track of Ragasa, and it looks like most of them are tracking directly over or very close to Batanes, and that will be 3 days from now. So it will be on the 22nd of September during the evening. So no changes on the forecast track. This 72 hours here is the forecast from Ragasa and Taiwan, which is not yet updated, as you can see here. The west already updated. Joint Typhoon Warning Center is already at 85 kph. Earlier this afternoon, it's still at 75, but now it's 85, a sign that it continues to intensify. Let's take a look at the latest from Google DeepMind AI model. So here's the track of tropical storms Ragasa, and this is Mitag, and this is the other one, 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹. And you can see the European model ensemble tracking 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹 towards the Okinawa area or possible Taiwan. So we are going to await the possible movement of this system, while Ragasa is still moving towards extreme northern Luzon. And if we move this slider, I'm going to show you another LPA here, which is expected to become a shallow LPA and likely to become an active one. You can see the blue colors. Those are the DeepMind forecast points. So it looks like we might be seeing a tropical disturbance or LPA passing over Bicol region or very near Bicol region come September 26 or next Friday. So this still at less than 50% probability, so it may happen or it may not, because the European model doesn't show anything, but the American model is saying that there will be a system here. The forecast of Google DeepMind shows a possibility of a low pressure system passing over the Bicol region and central Luzon. It's becoming more dispersed, okay, since the dots are now scattered compared to this one, which is still close to each other. When it's close to each other, the possibility of becoming a cyclone increases. Okay, so there you go. And after that, we don't see any more developments. So there might be a break during the first 2 weeks of October. We will wait and see, okay? As of now, we are not going to rule out that there will be another cyclone after Nando, but we will continue to observe these potential systems moving forward. Now let's take a look at the latest wind forecast. So on the latest track, okay, shows here that it's still the same. It will pass over Batanes group of islands. That will be between 7 to 8 p.m. on Monday, September 22nd. Okay, so this is from the European model. If we click on the American model, still the same track, more same location, but more on the northern part is the American model. Now here's the other storm, 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹. Now let's move this on the 23rd. It accelerates towards southern China, and then here's the another one. There's a low pressure system there near Palau, and it looks like it will move closer towards the Bicol, but it will dissipate. See, the system no longer are showing some. The system is no longer showing some closed isobars, and unlike this one, this is a very powerful system, 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗋. The European model, it shows that it will track west southwest and then move to the north and might hit Okinawa on the 28th of September, Sunday. Okay, so the forecast of this is more than 5 days, since 5 days from now will be on September 24. So September 25, 26, 27, 28 is more than 5 days. So the probability of this happening is 30% and below. Okay. And for the rain forecast, we expect heavy to extreme rainfall over, let me move this, over extreme northern Luzon, and that will begin on Sunday evening and into Monday. These are rainfall rates or capacity, or rainfall accumulation of more than 200 millimeters, reaching a high of 300 plus. While here, over the western sections of central and southern Luzon, Mindoro, particularly Occidental Mindoro, will have also some rainfall accumulation 24 hours of more than 100 millimeters and dangerous to flood-prone areas. Okay, and also here across western Panay, 30 to 50 millimeters. Over the western sections of central and southern Luzon, it could reach around 50 to 100 millimeters as well. Now, the intensity of the southwest monsoon will pick up as the system moves over the West Philippine Sea, South China Sea area towards the vicinity of southern China. Now, take a look at this on the 22nd. Okay, and you can see the rainfall over northern Cagayan and parts of western Cordillera Administrative Region, as well as Ilocos provinces, are showing here rainfall of 100 up to 200 millimeters for 24 hours this coming Monday, September 22. And if we move this into September 23, as the system exits par, the southwest monsoon will bring 50 to 100 millimeters rainfall over Mindoro and western and central sections of Luzon. Okay, Metro Manila will also be seeing some rainfall of 50 to 100 millimeters based on what the European model output suggests. So changes will still occur for the next 24 hours, so we will monitor that. So that will be September 22 to 25 or 24. September 20 to 24, we expect heavy monsoon rains across the western sections of central and southern Luzon, including Metro Manila and Mimaropa. And then by September 25, it will return to normal conditions. So that's the latest on the potential rainfall event that could happen across extreme northern Luzon during the passage of this Typhoon Nando and the southwest monsoon across the western sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila, Mimaropa, western Visayas. Okay, and so far that's the forecast, and we will let you know by tomorrow what will be the new one. And for the wave forecast, it remains less than 1 meter over the East Philippine Sea for tonight, and calm to 0.5 meter over the central waters of our country. Over the West Philippine Sea, it's slightly light to moderate. 1 to 2 meters will be expected because of the southwest monsoon. And if we move this into Saturday and Sunday, the tropical storm Nando will begin to expand. That's why you see here wave heights of 2 to 3 meters are located closer to the Bicol region, while 4 to 5 meters over the North Philippine Sea. And near the center of the storm, it could reach 6 to 7 meters in wave heights. So it's a sign that this cyclone may become a powerful Category 4 typhoon with winds of more than 220 kph in 1 minute average, because 240 kph in 1 minute average of JTWC is already considered as a super typhoon. Pagasa is 185 kph at 10 minute average. So we are going to await the decision of these weather bureaus. Okay, so far that's so. Just take all necessary precautions. Those who are planning to have some fishing and sea travel, please avoid the central, western, and eastern portions of our waterways, since of our ocean, of our sea, since we are expecting some big waves due to the southwest monsoon. Probably the last hurrah this 2025. Now let's take a look at September 22 and 23, and you can see here wave heights here over the West Philippine Sea has dramatically increased to more than 3 meters, while over the western coastal waters of Ilocos region it's 4.5 meters and extremely dangerous to all types of sea vessels, while of the West Philippine Sea come September 22 and 23 it will be dangerous to small and medium-sized sea vessels as well. Okay, so we will wait and see the arrival of this powerful, soon-to-be powerful Typhoon NANDO with international name Ragasa. So let's hope that this system will still change and move away from our country. But nevertheless, we will be back again tomorrow for another update. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Have a great weekend ahead. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all, and to all Bicolanos participating or celebrating the Our Lady of 𝗵𝗵𝗺𝗃. Happy Fiesta to all. 𝗵𝗵𝗺𝗃, and God bless. 𝗵𝗵𝗺𝗃, and thank you so much for watching our channel.